In today's video, I will walk you through how to see dividend yield of an ETF on Yahoo Finance. To get started, open the Yahoo Finance app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll search for the ETF you want to review. Tap on the search bar and enter the name or ticker symbol of the ETF. In this example, the ETF being searched is Meta. As you type, matching results will appear below the search field. When you see the ETF you want, tap on it from the search results. This will open the ETF's information page and display additional details about that fund. After the ETF page loads, take a moment to make sure you're viewing the correct fund. Once you're on the ETF details screen, begin scrolling down the page. Keep scrolling until you reach the section that displays statistics. This area contains several pieces of information about the ETF and is where you'll find the dividend yield value. As you look through the list of statistics, locate the entry labeled Dividend Yield. According to the example shown, the dividend yield appears as one of the items within the key statistics section and is listed near the bottom of that group of metrics. When you find dividend yield, the percentage displayed next to it is the ETF's dividend yield. In the example shown for Meta, the dividend yield is displayed as 0.37%. If you're checking a different ETF, simply repeat the same process. Return to the search bar, search for the ETF you want to review, open its details page, scroll down to the key statistics section, and look for the dividend yield entry. The value shown beside dividend yield is the information you're looking for. Yahoo Finance displays it directly within the ETF statistics, so you don't need to open any additional menus or settings. If you don't immediately see the statistic, continue scrolling through the ETF page until you reach the section containing the key metrics. The dividend yield will be listed there along with the other ETF statistics. That's all there is to it. Open the Yahoo Finance app, search for your ETF, select it from the results, scroll down to the statistics section, and find the dividend yield field. The percentage shown next to that label is the ETF's dividend yield. Following these steps allows you to quickly check the dividend yield of any ETF available on Yahoo Finance. Thank you for watching.